Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Techie Uncle. So I got this brand new Apple Watch 7 series from Costco. So let's unbox it. Okay, one piece open and one more to go. So let's do the next one. And now let's unbox it. Ooh, wow. Inside here is the strap and inside here is the watch. Let's do the wrist strap first. So let's unbox this thing. Okay, let's unbox it. It's gonna go like this. Let's open it here like this. Just see. This thing. Wow! This is the instruction manual over here. And now let's unbox this one. These are the wristbands. So these wrist straps are kind of cool. Oh, it also has a peel in. Let me just peel this. Oh wow. So now let's do the Apple Watch. Let me just peel this off. It's kind of hard. Oh, the other side. I totally forgot. This. Oh, still not coming up. What's happened? Okay, so let's open the dial now. Wow. Let's put this aside. And now, look, this is the cable. Let's put this aside. Now let's look at the watch first. So here it is. Now let's put this aside and look at the cable. Let's open it. I think it comes from here. Okay, so I just unboxed it and it comes a white color code. Comes the white color. Okay, so let's put this at the side and put the wrist straps at the Apple Watch. Okay, so let's do this. Just comes. Now let me try it. Now let me try it if it comes on. Kind of. And voila! I put it on. Now let's activate it and on it. Oh! I almost forgot we needed to charge it. It's charging now. Finally, it started. Okay, so it's showing the watch. Bring iPhone near the watch. Okay, so we just need to go to the Bluetooth settings. Okay, so here's the Bluetooth settings. You go inside it. See this Bluetooth setting. You will see an Apple Watch app. You will see over here. And I pressed it. Okay, it said good evening. Now pair your iPhone. Okay. Start pairing. Set up for myself. Start pairing. When is it coming? Okay. Your Apple Watch is paired. Set up. Apple Watch. Left. Okay. Okay. Now, okay. Continue. Connecting, it might be a moment, like 1 hour or 2. Setting languages. Agree. I'm agreeing. It's not like signing into your account. This might take a few moments. Okay. It's going well. Okay, so it's saying we need to track our working devices. Okay, so let's do it now. Shareable. Don't share. Don't share. Share settings. Continue. Create a passcode. Yes. Create passcode. Okay, so I added the passcode. I am not telling you because it's a secret. So let's activate it. Okay, so setup activated. Yep, continue. Let's go. Enable. Continue. Yeah. Get to know your Apple Watch. Let me connect this watch first. Okay, I don't see the Apple Watch 7 series yet, but I'll still give it a go. Was not even connecting. Okay, so you can see all these icons, but when you do like this, it will just do like this. You can see all the apps. And when you do like this, the YouTube music will come. When you open one app, when app comes in the center you want, just do like this and the app will come. This is so cool, right? Comment down below if it's cool. So finally this watch is working. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.